Hi guys, it's me, Disney, Tom and Jerry, The Simpsons, Dookie, and the Magic School Bus by 1996 here. Today, I want to show you something that I probably never showed you guys before. This is my drawing of Nature Cat that I've done back in October 21st, 2017. Yeah, I drew a picture of Nature Cat back then, back in 2017, almost 3 years ago. And I decided I want to show you guys this drawing of Nature Cat of mine. Hmm. What do you guys think? Let me let me know in the comments down below. This is me signing off, and I'll see you guys next time.